Precision Drilling is a land-based drilling rig contractor, heavy focus in North America, but a presence internationally as well. We believe that high-performing rigs, high-performing people, high-performing technology can help deliver higher value for all of our customers.
Precision's culture in terms of understanding and using technology and implementing it successfully is best in class. But they also have a culture all the way from the leadership down to the people out doing the work in the field who embrace the insights that come from that technology.
The oil field's been no stranger to data. People were flooded with data. What we found though is that our more experienced people could organically process this data out, get rid of the noise and focus on key elements.
So by combining the KCF solution and our solution together, we really make predictions very accurate for the variable load type of equipment in the drilling industry.
The most important thing that we can provide to Precision is clean, contextualized data that enables them to go solve very real problems.
Before, what we used to do was run equipment until it failed. Now what we can do is shorten that learning curve, and then they're making more meaningful, more efficient action before we see impactful failures.
Something fails and you react to it. Precision's approach is 180 degrees opposite. They're bringing in all of this data, but they're using it to make informed decisions on a wide range of applications. And we're not even close to the limit of what's possible, but what's happening today is just a complete 180 degree switch from reactive to proactive.
AI is giving us a great opportunity to make people more productive. It has the ability to ingest volumes of data, to look at hundreds of gigabytes of data that goes back years, where people can't ingest that and make those decisions, reference all of that to give you an output every few seconds. It's not possible for us to do that, but what humans can do then is take those recommendations and then act on that. We saw an improvement in reliability. We saw a near 90% reduction in credits issued due to downtime from our equipment. And so what we saw was the on-bottom numbers improved 28% compared to the peers without the solution.
It's an incredible improvement in both the performance of the equipment, but also reducing the cost of the equipment maintenance.
You eradicate your reactive failures. You quintuple the life of your equipment.
Digital twin is not a new concept. And unfortunately, because people kept talking about what it should do or what it will do, people are like, don't believe the hype. What we're showing now in our approach is the technology is available. We can use this and we can focus it on certain problems instead of trying to solve everything and make meaningful change.
AI and the implementation of AI in these applications is absolutely elevating work. When you provide those insights to the people and their culture embraces it, it's incredible what can be accomplished.
There's really multiple partners working together to build a solution that's very sophisticated, that's very effective. The multi-partnership ecosystem, to me, is pretty much essential today, in order to serve customers with solutions that are comprehensive and effective.
We would not be where we are today if it weren't for leaning on the expertise of these partners, really building on the shoulders of giants there. And we're very fortunate to have KCF and Prescient as our partners.
What excites me the most about what we're working on with Precision and together with Prescient is what's possible. They are going faster and are farther ahead than most companies we see implementing this technology. Yet they know, and I know, that we're only part of the way there.
I think what excites me the most about the future is that we're still in early innings. I see a future where we can hit every piece of equipment on the rig with meaningful real-time and AI insights so that we can be the absolute best and minimize downtime at every level.
If I look at just the drilling industry, there's so much potential here to revolutionize how equipments are managed. It's something that we've done that the industry haven't seen before.
It just builds like a snowball of success. That's what makes me most excited about the future with Precision.